So as you can see here, we are here in my wallet. Okay, so first we will find the transaction. Okay, so blockchain official website, blockchain explorer. Okay, and we find transaction which is other than 0.07 BTC. Okay, so yeah, I guess I missed that transaction. There was near 0.07 BTC, but I was missed that transaction. So let's find again. Yeah, let's see. 0.02 BTC. We're gonna confirm this transaction. Okay, it's under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. So this is the wallet. Just right click and then go to inspect. Wait for a few seconds to completely open that, and click to console. Then need to read this caution with carefully. This browser feature intended for developers. If someone told you to copy something here, it is a scam and we will give them extra money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with a zero balance. Okay, so yeah, after you read this, and make sure you make a new blockchain wallet and clear everything from here. This is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. Okay, select all, right click, select and then copy, right click, and then minimize this script, and then paste your script over here, press the end button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We can copy from here transaction hash ID, or we can copy from here. We just need this hash ID. Okay, we're gonna copy from this side and then paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK and close everything from here. Just refresh the balance, then see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. Today's date in Pakistan, as you can see, Wednesday 11 March 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will complete right now during the video, but let's see. Let's refresh that page to see that. Yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed. You can see, and don't be worried about this. This price, it's usually up and down, fluctuate. You need to see this transaction and this hash ID. It's the same. Okay, and yeah, so this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe this channel for more related videos. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next one.